the channel. Today I will be reviewing the Speck Presidio 2 grip case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I'm pretty excited because I remember my iPhone 6 Plus in sophomore year of high school. That was my first big phone and my second phone ever. And I got a Speck case from Best Buy because that was what was available, and ended up really liking it because it was thin and it protected my phone for a long time. So here we are 8 years later with this case. Nope. Oops. Nope. So here we have the Speck Presidio 2 grip case in its box. Pretty nice box. Notes that it has armor cloud, shock barrier protection around the perimeter, MagSafe, 13-foot drop protection, and antimicrobial properties. Let's just open it up. Easy. And pops out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And yeah, first impressions are pretty solid. It feels good in the hand. It feels solidly built. I can't bend it that much, which is very promising. It looks good in my opinion. I want to put my phone in right now. Okay, so here's the 14 Pro Max in black. Just put it in. Ooh, that was great. That felt great. It even sounded great. Pops right in, and yeah, it feels great. It's a plasticky matte type of texture throughout. There's no rubber for the grip. These grips are the same material as the base. You'll notice that the grip is on the sides and it juts out of the case, whereas on the back, it's flat against the case. So it's kind of concave. It digs in, actually. But it's still grippy. Note that that is different than previous iterations of the Speck Presidio grip. This is the iPhone 6s Plus from a few years ago, and this case is the same case, but these grips are rubber and they jut out the entire time. Here, they only jut out on the sides. Honestly, this looks and feels really solid. Solidly made. I love it. Let's check the fit. Yeah, this feels great. It's not going to easily pop off at all. Doing the tug. Yeah, very good. Now, for the weight, it weighs 47 grams, which is slightly on the heavier side, but honestly, I didn't feel like it was heavy. It felt fine to me. This is comparable, for example, to the 30 grams of the Apple leather case. So this is a really lightweight case from Apple, but I'd honestly take the greater protection with this one over that leather case. You'll notice that my sweaty hands are making a print on here. So if you're worried about that, that's something to keep in mind. These edges are rubbered and plasticky, and they're shiny. And I like that because it goes well with the accents of the buttons. With buttons and cutouts, let's check them out. There is enough space for sure to get to that switch. Buttons are clicky. Yeah, very nice feel. Because they're not rubbery, they don't feel like I'm pressing extra to get the button to press. Yep, very clicky. Yeah, let's check out the cutouts on the bottom. Awesome. The cutouts do match the actual number of holes there are. You'll notice that there are fewer holes here, but it's good that they made that hole to match it. Yeah, definitely ample room. They made it very well, I would say. Let's check the camera lip. The camera lip is very ample. There's no worry at all putting the phone down. You won't damage the camera sensors. Let's check out the rock test. We're definitely gonna have some rock because of that, but totally worth it. And let's check the front lip now. I do have a Spigen Easy Fit screen protector, which is case-friendly screen protector, and you'll notice there is a slight space between the case and the glass screen protector all around the perimeter, but that's perfect, honestly, because the chances of you dropping and hitting something in that little space is low. Yeah, it fits really well, feels really good. I like it. Now let's see how long it would take to remove it. Definitely got to put some back into it. There we go. Came off pretty quick if you actually put in the force to it. Oh, that sweat is really coming off. Pardon me, but it is hot, okay? Should you buy this case? Two different phone colors. I think they both look good. I do like that the white complements the white of the phone, so that is pretty cool. And here we have the purple version of the same case. Honestly solid, looks like a lilac, lavender type of color. Light and with gray accents throughout. I like the black one more right here, but pretty good. For comparison, here's the old 6S Plus case, and here's the 14 Pro Max Apple leather case that's green. So, should you buy this case? Overall, I'd say yeah, especially if you can get it on sale for around $25 like I did on Best Buy. The full price is $50, at which point it is a little pricier, but it has solid protection and it looks pretty nice. So I would say yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video.